My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of pop-up windows associated with the website Earntthatyo.biz. Of course, if you try to analyze the name of this website, it really doesn't make any particular sense. And the website is extremely dangerous because it displays pretty misleading information that tries to force you into subscribing to the web push notifications. Of course, there is nothing wrong with the feature of web push notifications as long as they are decent. But when we analyze this website, it tries to redirect you to a lot of other deceptive pages in the internet. These redirections start to happen after the allow button is mistakenly clicked. So we strongly urge you not to do that, to stay away from interacting with these pop-up windows and not to click on the allow button. If it was clicked by mistake, of course you need to fix your computer and your browser immediately. By the way, this solution applies to both Windows and Mac computers and browsers. However, such pop-ups mainly attack Windows computers. So go to the menu of your browser, then click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings. Now in Permissions, choose Notifications. You now need to pay very careful attention to the allow area. So if you find some of these malicious websites in the list, you need to get rid of them completely from this list by clicking on this button and deleting such websites. After all the malicious websites are successfully deleted, the problem should be fixed. But I also recommend that you scan your computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and scanning your computer with this program to make sure it is free of any other hidden threats. How to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer and browser-related problems. The program is initially in the trial mode. You may select the preferred scan type, however, remember that full scan or custom scan are only the parts of the premium version. There are some other good features in Combo Cleaner, like big files and duplicates checker. You may consider using these features. But if you want to get your PC fully fixed or at least inspected, consider the quick scan in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning your computer, and it will soon discover certain problems related to your available browsers or possibly related to the other issues with your Windows computer. Then the program at the end of scan will give you the full report about the current condition of your Windows computer and Windows related browsers. You may then get the clear image of what is going on with your computer, and you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the application to get all these troubles fixed and dealt with.